right? This strategy is very powerful, right? It works on the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, 30 minute time frame, and the 1 hour time frame. Those are the time frames that I recommend. But however, the one that I use the 15 minutes time frame to trade this strategy, and it is very profitable. I'll just show you an example. So it works with every single pair, but you need to backtest it first. So just an example, Euro USD, as you can see, I'll show you an example. Now you just need two confirmations, one from the NADARAYA Watson indicator and one from the HASI indicator. Now here's how it works, right? First thing, you need to get a signal from your NADARAYA Watson indicator, right? That's one. Once you get a signal, make sure that your HASI is oversold right here, right? Then the third thing you want to see is an engulfing candle. Those are the only three things you're going to need, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you a few examples. If you took this trade, and when you take this trade, you want to target 1 to 2, 1 to 2. All right, that was going to be a win. I'll show you more examples. Now let me just go back a little bit more. I'll show you another one. Let's see. All right, this month was probably another good month. Let me go back a little bit. All right, there we go. That's another one. My best bet is, as you can see here, right? My best bet is there was a signal here, right? You can see its price is oversold, and we had an engulfing candle right here. You can see that. Now, price most likely created a signal here, and if you go in here, what happened? That was going to be an instant buy. Target 1 to 2, as you can see there. That's going to be a win. See that? It's an easy win. As you can see here, what do we have here? We have an engulfing candle, oversold. That's going to be a nice sell right there. We're going to have a nice 1 to 2. All right, and we get this so often. This was just a bad month, I guess, but when the market is moving fine, you will definitely get signals. I think wait for your 3 confirmations and you will be fine. All right, now this is definitely one of the best strategies that I use, so check it out and let me know in the comment section below.